painting again. Ito ang ganda. Painting ng Baguio City.
Na tayo sa kamote. Available na lang dito. Full wheat bread, pomelo, croissant, ensimada. Yun na lang yung available.
Well, this is Ernest Kamote bread. The croissant.
Pomelo, ensimada. Available na lang.
Makakita lang mo ba yan?
Medyo pamilya na ako sa Japan.
Oh, ayun, nakalagay. According to this paper, the common name is Alnus. Alnus japonica because it came from Japan.
Minsan nga pagkaos. Gagawa ka ba ng ano? Dates?
Hindi ako nag-read.
Gusto mo ba 5 PM na lang tayo
Nawala.
sa kasal?
Akala ko parang nasa, nga pala, atin pala tayo ng
Ano yan?
kasal.
5
Kasi
PM
ang
na lang
dami
tayo
hindi
pupunta.
Kirby na gustong puntahan eh. Parang
5 PM na lang tayo sa kasal, doon lang
Ano?
mismo sa reception.
Ano sabi mo? Nawala sa utak mo yung kasal na pinunta natin. Grabe yun. Ako, alam ko.
Dilibot na lang tayo bukas, reception na lang diretso.
Pato,
nung nasa
naririnig
isip
mo
ko,
ba
saan
yan?
kami pupunta bukas? Hindi yung kasal yun, laisip ko siya.
Naku, Patrick oh.
Pero may ano din dito, may cathedral. Alam mo, may cathedral din naman.
Ano kaya snake plant? Oh, Yel, tingin mo na.
Natin ba yan?
Nawala na yung mata niya. Grabe naman lechon kawali. Thank you. Bye-bye. Lechon paksiw, lechon kawali, chop suey with atay, pansit canton, carrot. Yan po sila, oh. The best. Good taste.
Lagi ko na sa bag ko din. So yung bag ko.
bango. Okay. Yan mo gagamit namin. Ang galing. Kuya, first time.
Thank you.
Hey. Kala mo naman i-upload. Di-delete lang din naman. Ay, sige pa, iwan na lang dyan. Kami na bahala. Salamat. Room tour. Ay, dito ako magtatrabaho. Yan ako mag-work kasi work from home ako yan. Oh, yan pa si Yusek.
Have the view. Oh, di ba? Oh.
Ay, manood na tayong Kimi no Na wa.
Nice.
Ay. Awesome. Ganda-ganda ng lugar dito, tapos mag-gym lang tayo.
Wow, tayo.
Ay, kayo pala.
Parang mali.
Hanggang saan na yun tayo?
Ganda.
Tomorrow morning, pwede ba tayo
May gym.
Parang breakfast.
Ay, walang breakfast dito. Hindi kasama yun.
Ay, kasama?
Yusek KKB ang breakfast. Magwawaldas tayo. Ano to? Manlako?
Hindi, picnic.
Uy, may movie something. Ay, hindi. May kasal.
Okay.
Hindi ba kayo na yung kila Patrick? Hindi ba to yung kila Patrick? Tapos yun yung reception mo. Baka ito na kayo yung kila Patrick. Hindi ba? Yan yung shemay, ang ganda. Isipin mo pag ano, SDE nyo dyan, ipa-flash you. Di ba? Baka ganito rin yung kila Patrick bukas. Montanosa Film Festival.
Mabuhay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
Ay, mamaya pa pala, 6 to 7.
Pwede ba tayo makinood dyan?
Ano public dito sa mga nakano?
Mga check-in. Sige, ginod na lang tayo mamaya. Huwag na tayo lumabas. Huwag na kayo mag-gym, akyatin nyo na lang yan, oh. Well, ano naman? Kaya niyan. Pag nahulog ka naman dyan, gagapang ka lang. May foodway. Uy, may view dun. Tignan natin yung view dun. May support naman siya. Hello. Wow, nandito pa kami sa Forest Lodge. Ang relaxing naman yung tunog nito. Uy, do not go beyond this point, but I'll just take a picture. Bidyahan mo ako. Hi.
Hi, say hi to your vlog.
Ayan, papakita lang ako sa vlog ko. Baka sabihin hindi ako yun. Okay na.
Sige, maglakad ka lang.
Ayoko na.
I-tour mo kami dito.
Hi. On your right is a fountain. On your left is, I don't know, it's a gazebo, I think.
Gazebo.
And you have wall climbing there.
And then at your back.
It's a store. It's a
Up
food
climb.
wagon. Food wagon. Ayun. Okay na yan, punta na tayo sa gym nyo. Mag-gym daw po sila. Continuation of the vlog, meron dito ang Philippine-American Friendship Garden. Hindi ko alam, si Abraham Lincoln ba yun? Tapos ito ay si Manuel L. Quezon. Si Quezon to? Oh, we are correct, it's Manuel L. Quezon. Philippine-American Friendship Garden. Abraham Lincoln nga. Abraham Lincoln. Oh, may event dun, no. Hindi ko alam kung dyan yung reception ng kasal na attendan namin bukas. Tumbling ka na, papuntang gym.
Maganda kasi, ang ganda ng facility.
Libre ba yun?
Oo.
Di mo sure. Hindi mo sure. 5K isa. Uy, sarado na dyan, oh. May event. Ganda-ganda naman dito. Worth it ko ang mahal naming binayad. Hindi kami nagsisisi. Parang bawal. Bawal, may tali nga eh. O, isa pa to si Yusek. Non-compliant. Yun naman, nag-cross na siya. O sige. Gaya na lang tayo.
Ayun, doon pala.
Ang ganda, oh, may teacup pa. Uy! Tama ba? Yan po kami. Solo ata namin yung gym, walang ibang tao.
Picture na tayo bago tayo.
Ali kayo dito. Yusek, ali ka dito. Diba nakakaya yung shorts ko pang tulog. Kasi...
Mag-vlog ako.
Oh, ayan na. Uy, naka-video to. Ali na kayo dito. Uy, dito. Smile kayo dito. Ayan. Picture mo na kami. Yusek, kali ka rito.
Ba't na ba ako?
Nakakahiya naman. Mataba ka. Ano ko? Okay, Yusek. 1, 2, 3.
Ano ba? Tingin mo tayo dito?
Ayan, dito.
Saan?
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Naka-video yun eh.
Hindi na, nakukunan din.
Ano ba? Nag-picture
May
ka ba?
picture na ako. Ito lang yung habol ko dito. May libreng juice.
Oo, tumakbo ka na. Tingnan lang kami.
Bawal kami pumasok dyan, diba? Kasi pambabae dyan. Wala. Ang galing.
Tingnan natin.
Kasi yan yung view mo.
Sound shot one.
Pwede pala kong try bago ka bumili. Ube. Shop.
Hindi ka na bibili.
Free ako din.
Sound shot one, two, mic test.
Can I taste this too?
Shot, sound shot one, two.
May isa na eh.
Sound shot.
I wanna take a picture. First time ko makatikim nito.
Munchkins na...
Munchkins, yeah.
Pasaw-saw nga.
Wala na. Bili ako.
Nahulog tuloy. Nahulog. Saw-saw ko na nga lang. Sorry. Ay, lagyan mo nga yan.
Wala sa butter yun.
Sorry. Yeah, okay na. Okay, Munchkins, pandesal. Busog na ako nun. Parang ano? Kita ka?
Ganda. Ba't pa kayo naabang?
Yan lang alam kong kanta na apa.
Kapo pa rin.
Tingnan na lang natin yung ligo ulit.
Ligo ulit?
Okay na.
Oo, diba?
Take a sun that's hot up.
guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na po. Kanina pa dapat kami ready. Yung isa dyan ang bagal kumilos.
Nagkulot pa.
Ready na kaya kami.
Oh, excuse me. Magpapalit na
Ang
lang.
bagal, ang dami pa niyang ginagawa. Oh. Kanina Patrick, pasensya na kayo. Ayaw talaga namin maging
Time
late.
check, 1:05. At
Oh.
nakasando pa po siya. Di pa yan naliligo, nagtutoothbrush.
Hindi naman talaga ako maliligot ng toothbrush. Bakit?
Sabi matutulog na lang daw kami today.
Hello! Ayan. Tagal ko na po nakabihes. Mga 4 hours na ako. Mga 4 hours na po ako nakabihes. Ang call time namin 2 na sa simbahan na. 2 p.m. yon. Kami pong 3 lalaki nakabihis na kami 4 hours ago pa. Yung isa dyan napakatagal because of delay. Ayun po siya. Ayun na.
Kanina pa ako
Punta na kami sa kasal. Pat Inayos wedding. See ya. Bye-bye.
The reason for that is because you love each other. That's a free decision you make, isn't it? It's a free decision that you make. And so we support you in that. We agree with that. That's why the church would say, well, let's the bump of marriage. Let's the bump of marriage. One for all life. If that's true love, that's marriage again. And what binds you together is because of your love for each other. That's what we call it also covenant. That you agree to belong to each other because you love each other. Unlike in the contract design that upon
Hello, Mrs. When I started writing my vlogs for my mother, naging super black ang isip ko. I cannot gather my thoughts. I don't know where to start. Until a couple of days ago, nagawa ko siya. Parang gumagawa ng papers sa school ko ng But, to tell honestly, even proposing to you, dahil sa kapapagod ko ng mga random STDs, parang alam ko na sasabihin ko sa oras mo. And yet, I guess pag dumating na yung time na ikaw na ang susulat, everything will be different. But you know what? The only clear thing in my mind, within my heart is you. I am 101% sure that I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Kung sa mundo ng showbiz, puro Himalaya, sa'yo lang ang puso kong tiyakin sa dulo ng mundo. Our love story started with Jaime Ayala to Aya, then Hama, and now finally my wife. It has been 7 years and 4 days since he said yes to being our girlfriend in Baguio. Umakyat tayo ng Baguio as a friend, bumaba na ng boyfriend girl. At ngayon, umakyat as a fiancé, bababa na ng boyfriend. It is still very fresh in my mind na parang nakakalang may accidentally magkakaroon sa parking because a very rare chance to happen dahil sa dami ng parking space on the office. It is true that what is meant to be will always happen. And everything happens for a reason. And yes, I believe that the opportunity is the way of how God wants me to meet the woman who I will let him will for the rest of my life. That moment, when naisip ko kasi I don't want to miss that sign, when you need to take a chance on it. And that night, I took the date and then said that I'm going to IG and the rest is history. When I told you na niligawan ko formally, nagsabi ko kasi sa akin na hindi hirap ng mahal. Yes, that's true. But you know naman, nagkakait na tayo na tayo mag-guide and love to be challenged with Christ. So I begin to see that courting you, and eventually after 3 months of courting, minahal mo na rin. I don't know for the times when you were sleeping from your past years, especially in your home. I may not be able to meet her, but I can see from you how she loved and raised you well to become the woman who you are right now. And siguro, if ever naman ko siya, I believe ako na siguro sa akin. To Tita, mga challenge, I promise to respect your daughter, cherish her for all that she is, and to shower her with love and care in every possible way. Hindi ba kung iniwan ko sa saya, my babies. I know that I always tell you that to just bring uncertainty and be up to him or your worries that everything will come into place. Now, look at you since the day I met you. At simula ngayon, sabay na tayo magdara sa para magpasalamat at humingi ng gagal ang bago mo. You always ask me why I love you. Lagi ko naman nagsagot sa dahil sa isa. I know naiinis ka sa akin kasi you cannot get a firm answer from me. So matatapos yung sa akin sa tawanan at naiinis ka na rin. But for me, you are not just sexy, but you are beautiful, smart, caring, soft and fragile. And most especially, you have a genuine heart. You have a heart that is always ready to love unconditionally. You love even putting aside your own happiness. The way you love others like that of Jefferson. Kahit na mga strangers and dogs na I know you meet me, you are the inspiration to my life. You accept my imperfection. You always push me in time that I doubt myself and to do my best. I love when you listen to me, laugh at my jokes, and look at me na parang nagpulog pa sa akin. I love your long real talk chats and letters pag nakakatapunan tayo, or nainis ka sa akin. I love you for everything that you were, everything that you are, and everything that you will become. You are my sunflower, bright, happy, and glowing. I can't imagine the future days without you. We both know that our smiles will fade away eventually. We will fight. The road ahead will be bumpy, and there will be no shortcut. But I promise to you that we will break our seatbelts. Together we will face our life challenges ahead. I will also be there with you to celebrate small and big wins. I promise that I will hug you when you are feeling lost and disappointed. I vow to listen to your rants and to your fantasies. I support you when you write every day when you fell in love with me. I promise that God will be the center of our family that we will be. And I promise for our cute baby 6 in the near future, makakatagdag na namin ulit ang mga siblings. I will love you and learn you for all the days of my life. I will find you and I choose you in 100 lifetimes, in 100 worlds and universe, in any version of reality. I promise that I will find you in every lifetime, for all time always. Together today, we will share our dreams and success in the future together, and we will achieve them with our family. 3 milyon, ikaw lang pipiliin at pipiliin mo sa araw-araw hanggang sa dulo ng aking buhay. Ikaw ang dulo, kita at simula. I am here, I am all in, and I am forever yours. Mahal na kita lang.
And now, Bobby, same. Hi there, same. We are now finally married. 7 years with you felt like it was just yesterday when I said yes to you in the same city where we are getting married now. A little backstory, Pat originally asked me to be his girlfriend last March 18, 2017 with this cute heart-shaped box with sunflower inside and a note asking me to be his girlfriend. I'm sweet, no? And I said no. Grumpy siya and bad trip siya after. The following travel back to Manila, we went to Our Lady of Lourdes, Grotto. We need to climb 252 steps up just to reach the top. Inatake ako ng doubt noon, and though ang awkward, Pat, being the gentleman that he is, still assisted me. We were both praying quietly at the top of the chapel, and when we're about to leave na, out of nowhere, I just said yes. Doon pa naman, di mo na-feel yung pagiging moody ko. Nagbabago-bago. Pero I haven't really told you why the change of heart. So back then, I was praying really hard for God to give me a sign na if ikaw na talaga yung pinagdadasal ko. Sabi ko, pag may makita kang sunflower, no matter how small or kahit anong hint ng sunflower, sasagutin ko itong lalaki ito. So, ayun, wala. But I took a deep breath and just said yes. At doon napatunayan kung iyakin ka despite the tough impression you want people to see. So, why sunflower? Very unconventional yung beauty niya as a flower. It symbolizes hope, resilience, and positivity. It usually blooms during summer and follows the direction of the sun. So, I always regarded myself as a sunflower, having all those similarities. The catch is, it is not rainproof, and it wilts. But same as the certified seeds using UPD sunflower every graduation, I am the type of sunflower that can still bloom in the rain. So all throughout our relationship, through ups and downs, through thick and quick, I told myself, maybe I am the sign I was asking for back then. Maybe God is telling me that it's always up to you, Aya. You are the sign. This is your life, and I won't have you meet Patrick if it is for nothing. I've given you everything, and it's just up to you how you will embrace all the blessings that in front of you. And I can confidently say now that I made the right decision. Ikaw ang matagal ko nang pinagdasal. I very vocal to you when I said nahirap akong mahalin. And for 7 years, you never ever gave up on me. I told myself na hindi na ako mag-aasawa kasi hindi ko naman mapapakilala kay mama ko. Pero niligawan mo pa lang ako, you will offer to join me in my weekly visits to Mama's grave. Even after we got engaged, the first thing you said after naganap is, tara pakita natin kay Mama. Your exact words when we were showing Mama my engagement ring was, ako na po bahala kay Aya. What did I do to deserve you? Kala nyo lang swerte si Pat sa akin, pero ang totoo, ako ang swerte sa kanya. So in front of all our family and friends, I promise to be a better person every day. It may not be an overnight change, but I will always try my best for you. You will be my #1 priority. I will be your #1 fan. I will be your strongest support system. Ang dami ko pang gusto sabihin, pero mahaba na din. So, let me end with one of the most beautiful descriptions of marriage I have ever heard from the movie, Shall We Dance? The guy asks, why do you think people get married? The girl's response, we marry because we need a witness to our lives. There's a billion people on the planet. I mean, what does anyone's life really mean? But in a marriage, you're promising to care about everything. The good things, the bad things, the terrible things, the mundane things. All of it. All of the time, every day. You're saying, your life will not go unnoticed because I will notice it. Your life will not go unwitnessed because I will be your witness. I am excited how we'll live our lives daily in the future, on how we'll learn the sacredness and beauty of the ordinary. Know that from now on, I will always choose you, and I love you so much, my husband. before that, you can learn more about it. Now we proceed to our Victorias. So I would like to request the parents of the couple to please join our couple. Parents.
Tumatakas na po yung mga kaibigan ko. Courtesy of...
Ganun mo sa mukha.
Ah, ganyan ba yan?
Diyan nakita mo ka na.
Here comes the bride. The bridal car. Awesome. Oh, smile kayo guys.
Thank you for the taho.
Aho daw. Ubet aho, care of the newlywed. St. Joseph. Ay, medyo umaambon na. Pero ayaw pa rin namin paawat. Picture pa rin po kami. Oh, ha? Ito po yung official photographer. Si Yusek.
Hindi ang bumili.
Oh, walang ulan-ulan.
Yale,
Picture.
fountain.
Gusto ko niya.
Oh.
Kailangan ba tayo fountain?
Siyempre, bakit tayo nandito?
Sana sa iba na lang tayo. Oh.
Pang 1 by 1 po.
Teka lang.
Naulan na ako. Dito na ako.
Ayun, napicturean na kita, Yusek. Ikaw ba? Ikaw din ba?
Ikaw, Yel, wala ka pa. Okay. Nasaan na kayo? Basta tayo'y magkasama.
Dapat lagyan mo ng MTV.
Laging merong umagang kay ganda.
Hi, vlog.
Tumakas po kami dun sa picture taking. Yan, inulan kami. Karma.
Sakto nga ka mo kanina, buti medyo umaraw nung
Nasaan siya? Hindi kita si Hel.
Nalungkot po si El kasi
Ba't siya malungkot?
actually umiyak kanina si El.
Oo, umiyak si
Hindi
Hel.
lang sinasabi.
Ramdam ko eh. Muntik pa siyang tumayo nung sinabi ni Father, wala bang tututol? Picture na lang, tapusin ko na itong vlog. Bye vlog! Salamat sa pag-iinit, Yusek. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Very much.
Thank you, Yusek.
Oh, may cake pa.
Oh, may cake pa.
Ay, kain ko lang. Yempo. Alam ko na tinawag yung yempo.
Sobrang swerte po namin kay Yusek. Yusek, mag-asawa ka na. Kakain muna kami. Bye. Lang ako.
So these are the groomsmen, male secondary sponsors, and best man. Okay, mga sir, whenever you're ready. Palakpakan natin ang Team Patrick, everybody! Come on, gentlemen, sayaw! Yun! Palakpakan pa rin natin, BCC! Keep it going! No worries, we got after party so this time, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman natin ang boy squad! Handa! Yeah! To the dance floor! Let's go! Everybody! Woo! Pino, si Kwanzaa!
Like we have this unspoken understanding, mutual respect, etc. Pero everything said, si Kuya, I really look up to this person. Parang he is the embodiment of the ideal person actually. You know? Yes. It's legit. Very caring. Like, sa family, hindi nyo alam kung paano na kami asikasuhin, sa mga small things, and very systematic, very organized, lahat nasa ayos. Mana ka na mami, mana ka na daddy, I guess. So, ayun, very, very dependable. Like, yun sa story ko kanina, anytime na may kailangan kami, like, andun siya willing to saluhin kami, I guess. So, I would like to say, si Kuya is one of the biggest positive influence in my life. Like, mas kumbaga naging role model ko si Kuya. Mas nag-try ako to be more responsible, to be like him, in a nutshell. No? So, to Aya, super lucky mo to have Kuya kasi nga ensured na talagang very aalagaan ka niya. Very may madedependent ka. Someone na dependable in your life. And, ayun, tiisin mo lang minsan pagka magsusungit siya. Either, dalawa lang naman yan, no? Either gutom siya or inaantok. So, wala mo na lang. Pakainin mo or patulugin mo na lang. Pero kidding aside, I really wish you all the best. Nothing but happiness, joy, success, and love to both of you. Thank you.
Talaga ba?
Hello! Yan. So naka-check-in kami. Sobrang lapit lang namin sa Forest Land. Sobrang lapit lang namin sa BCC. So ngayon pa uwi, naglakad na lang kami. Because you know, to burn some calories. At saka ano, yun, sige lalakad na kami. Bye.
Ganun ba yung mga presentation natin ito? Sayo ka?
Sayo tayo.
So true, funny how it seems, always in time, when we never really like for free.
I was so scared. I was terrified. Dancing facing the exit. How fucking sad is that? Oh, that could be like... It's nice though. Yeah, this is like the nicest thing. I'm enjoying it, but I'm passing the exit. Yeah. Facing the exit. We're gonna very well be there. Which is funny because like now I expect her not to be good because her reason for being over because she wants to be that's not what she did. Okay? So for me I have like something sort of
20 yata yung gusto sulit.
Oh, mukhang ko kayo edit. Oh, sabot na mo kami. Oh, kararating ko lang. Ano kami?
Ano? Cash lang ba?
May Gcash.
Ganito pang itsura namin.
Pusa eh.
Habang tumitingin dun sa linuluto. Ayun yung linuluto.
Sunod kami ba ito? Ito lang yan. Ay.
Yan pala, may internet.
Astam.
Sa crew bar kami.
Ito ko na parang kadito kasi.
Spanish latte. Cinnamon coffee. Chuchu. Ano yan?
Beef salpicao.
Beef salpicao. Ang sarap nitong. Tapos anong palagyan nyo ng candied jalapeno? The best. Wee!
Ano mo naman narration?
Narration.
Hi guys.
Kakainin ko na. Hi guys.
Hindi mo nga dinescribe kung ano laman. Ano tawag sa kanya.
Huwag na, basta hinain niya lang. Ano yan? Cheesesteak.
Nga pinalagyan ko ng candied jalapeno.
Ano laman niya? Describe mo.
May kulay green. Hindi ko alam.
Bell pepper yung green.
Sira yung ano,
Luto ka naman.
Oo, huwag mo nang iyan doon. Buksan.
Anong gagawin ko ngayon dito?
Bakit nangyari?
Perdible.
Perdible.
Ay, meron
Ay, marami
ako.
si Ed.
Ay, sige, yun na lang.